I was driving around Johnson Space Center and I came across this sign and it said training in progress. I thought that's the perfect spot for a quick Artemis II crew weekly update. So I got out of my car and I started recording, but it's about 40 knots of wind outside. So I had to jump back in my car so that I could talk. Great week. It's amazing. Once we have focus on a launch date and it uses this on the heat shield, everybody just hit the ground running this week. I even felt like traffic was higher going into Johnson Space Center. People are back at work and we are ready to roll. For the crew, we are all over the map in just about every corner of Orion and the Space Launch System this week. We were looking at what happens if we have a depressurization and a crew member gets decompression sickness. How do we pump our wastewater, our urine water tank overboard, and backup contingency plans if that system should fail. Procedure reviews ad nauseum. We did ascent malfunctions. What happens if we have computer issues with our booster and how do we abort in those cases. We did a poetry class. I went outside last night and sketched the moon. It's a beautiful waxing gibbous out there. Great opportunity to go look at our moon. And just got done a suited ops sim with Victor Glover. I think I said poetry in there. We actually met with a professor of English and he was reviewing some of the famous poems about the moon and how we can look at the language in that to connect with people around the world. It's a fascinating class. Victor set that one up for us and I took a lot out of it actually. And then the final thing I want to say for this week is our core stage is now in the vertical at the vehicle assembly building at Kennedy Space Center, and just, we didn't see it in person, but seeing the pictures of that monster machine getting lifted from the horizontal into the vertical to be mated with our boosters. We're going to be down there next week. I cannot wait to see this in person. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Cheers.